There are a few trading strategies for New York Open, and in this video, let's talk about the breakout strategy. For this strategy, first, it should be a breakout right after the open. And second, you only trade one direction, either up or down. Third, maximum 3 legs that you can trade. Do not trade 4th or 5th leg. And then last, do the scalping rather than swing. Let's take this chart for example. This is a very good New York Open strategy for breakout. Right after 9:30, we can see that there are 2 consecutive bull bars breaking out to the upside. These 2 bull bars are getting bigger because the second bar is larger than any of the bars on the left. And then, even though there are tails at the top, but still this is very strong breakout bull bars. After we are seeing these 2 bull bars, and then we wait for the pullback. If the pullback is shallow, then we are trading up after the pullback. Second, trade only one direction. In this case, the breakout is to the upside, so after the pullback, we trade upside. In case the pullback is too much or even it reverse, then it is not this New York Open strategy for breakout. In that case, it's another strategy, it's not in this video coverage. Third, maximum 3 legs. For the New York Open strategy, we're trading the volatility. It should be very quick. So here's the first leg, pullback, and second leg, pullback, and the third leg. We do not trade the 4th or 5th leg. And then for this strategy to be working, we have to enter and exit very quickly. Fourth, scalping rather than swing. Because this is a quick entry and quick profit taking, so we scalp for mainly one time of the risk. So in this example, this is the signal bar and then this is the bottom of the pullback. So this is the actual risk. We measure from the actual risk to the entry level. This is your risk. And then we measure exactly the same distance to take the profit. You can see that with this bear bar, you can exit the trade. Very important to understand why it pulls back with this bar, because other traders are taking the profit using exactly the same strategy with scalping for one time of the risk. And then after the market pulls back, if you want to enter again, for sure, you can trade the third leg. Here is the signal bar, this bull bar. The same strategy, after the bull bar finishes, you trade up. But this time the risk is low, so you take the profit as low as the risk. Do not be greedy. You may ask, how about if I enter here and then take the profit after the third leg is finished using the same strategy? Yes, you can do that, but in this case you can see that the second trade exit is lower than the first trade exit. So that means if you trade in only one direction with only one trade, so you have less profit. But in other cases, you may have more profit. It depends on your understanding and your own strategy of the trading. Others may ask, since there are 3 legs, can I add position when I see the third leg here? You may, but remember this is a scalping for a quick profit, so normally you just do it in one shot. Others may also ask, so I do 2 trades here and I make more profit than 1 trade. Not necessary. If you increase your position and then only do the first trade here, you're gonna get exit right away and then you make more profit. However, when you do the second trade after this first trade here, you are having more risk than the first trade because the third leg has lower probability than the second leg in terms of going up. Therefore, for New York Open strategy in terms of breakout, normally you do only 1 trade and then do the scalping. You can add more position when you enter the trade to take more profit.